Lotus leaf capsules, amazing for weight loss and pain, anxiety, sleep, lowering blood pressure, on and on and on. This stuff is amazing.
Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist, get healthy now.
Hi, Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist and Health and Wellness Instructor for 34 years. Let's get healthy. If you like what I do, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Please tell other people. Let's get them healthy too. Well, today I want to talk about lotus leaves. I talked about the seeds before. And lotus leaves, you know, the petals of the lotus flower, not the petals, but the actual leaves, the green leaves underneath, are actually very healing and have so many capabilities to helping you in lots of ways. They contain a huge amount of polysaccharides and terpenes and amino acids and a huge amount of antioxidants, which I'll get into in a little bit later. Study shows it really helps with inflammatory bowel disease and inflammation in the body in general. So if you have inflammation going on, you might want to be taking some of this. Really great for sleep. If you have, sleep problems, I have to say, about 65% of the people, especially women, are not sleeping hardly any. 4 or 5 hours a night. And so this is kind of a agent that works with your GABA receptors in your brain, and it also puts you kind of into a hypnotic state. So it really does work. It makes you sleep for sure. Really helps with pain. Anything that has, anti-inflammatory qualities will also help with pain. And this really does a great job. I have to say, a majority of you have pain, and this is going to help you. It also soothes away coughs, and if you have, a weak immune system, this will also boost up your immune system and helps to relax the smooth muscles, especially of your gut and that type of thing too. For diabetics, because it helps to increase insulin production, and also it opens up your blood vessels, so lower blood pressure, which is very important. Lots of high blood pressure people. It also helps with the weight loss because, a lot of people have white fat, and the people with brown fat are the skinny people. So if you want to be skinny, this seems to start making you make more brown fat so you stay slim. So that's really important. Also helps with heart rhythm, so you keep your heart at the normal rhythm it's supposed to be. Also helps to prevent diarrhea. If you have constant diarrhea, that's not good. You can end up in the hospital. Also, it helps to reduce blood sugar and, like I said, high cholesterol. And so if you have either one of those, you want to be taking this. It has lots of potassium, magnesium, vitamin C, and calcium. Lots of great minerals in it also. If you have lots of sebum or oily skin all the time, this will help to get rid of that acne caused by, excessive oily skin. So that's really a big plus. Also has a lot of B vitamins and C and iron and protein, which actually help to make the skin heal too, which is important. And also helps to regulate your menstrual cycle, which is very, very important. Also helps with kidney function. If you have kidney disease, this might help you in a way also. And also, it does have caffeine. I just let you know, compared to a regular cup of green tea, it has 3 times more caffeine. It's got a lot of caffeine. It helps with sleep and anxiety in a huge way. So if you have sleep problems, most people do, or you have anxiety and stress, this will help you in a huge way. It also helps with infertility because there's lots of antioxidants. Good for the liver, good for the spleen, does a lot of detoxing. Also helps with acid reflux. If you have acid reflux, really good for fatty liver disease also. It's a good diuretic at the same time and soothes away coughs. And it also helps with, can't say that here, but it does help with, and so that's really important. And it really improves digestion in general, helps with bloating and indigestion and all kinds of digestive upsets. The really good detoxing agent for the whole body, especially the liver and the spleen. Like I said, it's anti-inflammatory, also anti-aging. If you want to get rid of some of those, wrinkles and lines and that type of thing, this will help in a great way. It reduces fevers and has a lot of antioxidants in it in the way of flavonoids, alkaloids, polyphenols, like in green tea, terpenoids, and then phytosteroids also, which are very important. You know, these plants grow all over in Asia, and you've probably seen them in the parks and the ponds. Yeah, they're just about everywhere. Also used in cooking, and people, in China, they use them for wrapping meats and rice and that type of thing, and they're edible also. I recommend not taking it if you're pregnant, nursing, or small children, not for them. Also, if you're taking a bunch of meds, I wouldn't recommend it, especially heart meds, or you have on some diabetes medication, it might lower your blood sugar too much, also your blood pressure. So those are the things to keep in mind. Also, some people have allergic reactions once in a great while. The blue lotus also, some people who are taking huge doses, which I don't recommend, have hallucinations, nausea, and rapid heartbeat. But take it the way I recommend. The dosage is 450 milligrams in capsules. You can also get it in teas and tinctures and extracts. Inexpensive on Amazon. 100 capsules is $15, pretty cheap. There's no doubt about that. I like the brand TerraVita, 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 and that's on Amazon. You can also find it on eBay also. Used for 10 days, and it will do the body good for sure. I recommend 10 days because, like anything else, if you take it too long, its effectiveness starts to go away. And I think taking too much of anything is not a good idea. So get yourself some lotus leaf capsules, or some teas, or some drops, or whatever you'd like to do, or extract, and start taking it, and you're going to start feeling better for sure. If you have something going on, give me a call at 831-869-9119. 831-869-9119. We have an epidemic of cancer. I have to say more than half of my people are cancer people now, and also an epidemic of kidney disease, a lot of kidney disease problems also, plus a lot of diabetes and the average high blood pressure and things like that. So give me a call. Let's not suffer. Let's get you healthy completely. Let's heal the cause. 831-869-9119. Remember God, remember I love you. And there's a lot to be learned about looking inward and looking at, why do I have anger? Why do I have fear? And healing all of that. It's very important to do that before we die. I think it's very, very, very important. We need to leave, this place and come unto Him as a child without, anything written on the blackboard. Let's erase all that stuff. I love you.